Let's start first with what they're about to do.
Jessica.
These jury instructions, why are these so important?
Well, they're the recipe for the jury, right? It's the law that's going to guide them on this very monumental, historic decision they're about to make. And, this isn't a normal criminal case where you have some idea what the elements of the offense are. This one is really a lot more complicated. Now, here's what's different about this one, Jessica. There's two lawyers on the jury. They have like two law professor types. They're not law professors, they're lawyers. But the point is, there's two legal experts in the jury room with them that are going to be able to explain to the jurors the nuances of some of the more complicated parts of this jury charge. And I want to just say one other thing. We may need to check with your pundits. I don't know what the law is in state court in New York, but a lot of courts only give one copy of the jury charge to the entire jury. There's only one
You're
copy
saying
that
that's
goes
right.
back.
No, that's wrong.
No, sorry. Sorry, Robert. Let me just answer your question because I happen to be sitting here. A lot of courts, a lot of judges in the federal system will send a written copy of the charge back. In New York State, they don't send a written copy back with the jury at all. So the jury may take notes, but they're going to basically be left with their own recollection.
Okay, wow, we're just doing this in real time. All right, back to you, Robert. Continue your thought, please.
This is even worse. Jessica, this is even worse because now the jurors, all they have is their recollection of what the judge said the elements of the crime were. And it's so hard. Wait till you see how long this jury charge is. There's no way the jurors can be able to keep all that information in their head. It's going to be a mess. If the defense were smart, they would ask that each member of the jury be given a written copy of this charge.
And we talked a little bit in the last segment about Bob Costello as that last witness and how it would sit in the jury's minds just as they have these many days, 5-6 days until they're going to be back together. As somebody who is an expert in juries, talk about that last thing that they hear and now this time. How does that all go together and fit together?
Yeah, normally it would be a really big problem for the defense because Costello was a disaster, okay? I am convinced that it was Trump that insisted he be a witness, and I am now convinced that Trump was looking out for number one by calling him as a witness, and he ended up stepping in number two, all right? So it would normally be a real big problem for the defense, but here's the difference. This 1 week is going to work as a reset. It's going to let everybody's, to calm down, right? Everybody to maintain their aplomb, everybody to kind of think about other things other than this trial. And when they come back next week, that's when they're going to get fired back up about the case. I think it's actually going to help the defense more than the prosecution this 1 week off, believe it or not.
As a reset. All right, Robert Hirschhorn, always good to see you. Thanks so much for your insight. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Still to come, the body of Iran's president arrives in the country's capital as funeral ceremonies get underway.